Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is Saturday, March 10th, 2018, and we're documenting the 2018 spring river flood. We'll begin with this shot of the Batcher between the old levee and new levee near the Algiers ferry landing, where the progress of the rising water is most visible. This picture was taken on Sunday, March 4th, with the river level at 13.71 feet. The next picture is from Wednesday, March 7th, with a river level of 14.75 feet. Finally, we'll go to live video today at 2 p.m. with the river level of 16.13 feet, nearly a 1.5 foot increase since Wednesday. The remains of the demolished part of the outer levee is now completely underwater. On Thursday, March 9th, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers began opening the Bonnie Carey spillway, diverting some of the water from the Mississippi River into Lake Pontchartrain, which has slowed the rate of increase here in New Orleans. We're looking out onto the river from the end of the old levee now, with river water on three sides of us. The old levee will probably be barricaded once the river reaches flood stage at 17 feet, and that's still projected to happen on Tuesday, March 13th. The little building on the Batcher now has water completely covering the slab and probably nearly a foot deep on the interior. And now we'll take a look at this shot from March 7th, looking downriver from the ferry landing, and then go to the live view today. Here we can see the difference of the level of the water under the ferry terminal building. Finally, this Batcher area still had some grass and ground showing just a few days ago, and it's completely covered with water now. This concludes our river flood update. We'll be back when the river reaches flood stage, most likely on Tuesday morning. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.